Good morning students. Chapter 2 Units and Measurement. In last lecture we have discussed about measurement of length. Okay, with the help of scale, meter scale, yes, then screw gauge, vernier calipers, speedometer, then some indirect method for measurement of very large distance. Now, yes, we will continue our topic, that is estimation of very small distances, or we can say size of molecule. Yes, size of molecule is about 10 raised to minus 8 meters, 10 raised to minus 10 meters. Size of molecule. Size of molecule is about 10 raised to minus 8 meter to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. And yes, we cannot estimate, we cannot measure size of molecules with the help of screw gauge, vernier calipers or speedometer. Okay, for measurement of such molecular distance, some special methods are used. Okay, for measurement of such very small distance, for very small size or distance, special methods are adopted. Okay, now which are special methods? Yes, some instruments are used. For example, first instrument is optical microscope. Okay, what is optical microscope? So yes, optical microscope, you know what is microscope, which is used to see very small objects magnified, okay, and touch. So yes, optical microscope, this optical microscope uses visible light. It uses visible light having wavelength from 4000 angstrom to 7000 angstrom. See, light, visible light. Yes, in 12 we'll see one topic, that is electromagnetic wave. That electromagnetic wave, okay, it is also called electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, having total 7 types of electromagnetic waves depending on their wavelength. Some of the names you may know. Okay, what is visible light, what is infrared light, what is ultraviolet light, yes or no, X-rays, gamma rays. So these all are electromagnetic waves. One of them is visible light, which is used in optical microscope. Okay, optical microscope uses visible light having wavelength from 4000 angstrom to 7000 angstrom. How to use microscope? What is this wavelength? That we will study in next chapters. Okay, right now you have to remember this data. Okay, what is optical microscope and what is used in optical microscope and what is its range? Its range is 4000 angstrom to 7000 angstrom. And yes, what is 1 angstrom? 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 1 angstrom is equal to, it is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Clear about this? Okay. Second one is electron microscope. Second one is electron microscope. And in electron microscope, yes, it uses electron beam. It uses electron beam. In optical microscope, visible light is used. In electron microscope, electron beam is used. Now, what is procedure? How to find? That we will study in next chapters. Okay, don't worry about this. And yes, what is resolution for this optical microscope? It can resolve. Its resolution is 0.6 angstrom. 0.6 angstrom means up to 0.6 angstrom means 0.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Up to this distance, this electron microscope can estimate. Clear about this? Third one is STM. Third one is It is STM, that you know, okay, that is scanning tunneling microscope, which is used in nanotechnology, which is used in nanotechnology, which is used in nanotechnology. Clear? So yes, here for estimation of very small distances, that is size of molecule, some specially designed microscopes are used. Optical microscope, electron microscope, and scanning tunneling microscope for measurement of very small distances or for size of molecule. Okay, there is one another method for measurement of very small size, that is monomolecular layer. Okay, if for example you have some acid, then you have to make a thin film of that acid. You have to make a thin film, or I can say thin layer of that liquid. Okay, very thin layer. So yes, I can say that thin layer of liquid, if it is very thin layer of liquid, then I can say it is made up of molecules like this. It is made up of molecules like this. Very thin layer of very thin layer. See, it is very thin, but here I have drawn its zoomed view. Okay, its enlarged view. Okay, so it is very thin layer of liquid. It is very thin layer of liquid. Okay, so yes, if we consider a very thin layer of liquid, then we can consider that it is called monomolecular layer. It is called monomolecular layer. Mono means one. Okay, if I take this thickness very small, I can consider that yes, it is made up of only one molecules. It is made up of only one molecules in a layer. Okay, so if I estimate thickness of this layer, then in this case thickness of layer is equal to size, or we can say diameter, of molecule. We can say diameter of molecule. Clear about this? So yes, here what is monomolecular layer? You have to make very thin layer of liquid. Okay, then yes, we can consider that this thin film is made up of only one molecular layer. So in this case, the thickness of this layer is equal to size, diameter of molecule. Clear about this? Okay, so it is how to estimate size of molecule, very small sizes. Now next topic is what is range of length. See, range of length. Range means what? What is meaning of range? Range means what is minimum length, what is maximum length. Okay, in this universe. Okay, what is the smallest distance? Yes, any object is made up of particles. Particles are made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of atom. Atom is made up of nucleus and electron. So what is the smallest thing? Yes, it is nucleus. And that size of nucleus is about it is about 10 raised to minus 14 meter. It is about 10 raised to minus 14 meter. So yes, right now it is the smallest distance, that is the size of nucleus. Smallest length, that is size of nucleus, about 10 raised to minus 14 meter. And yes, what is the largest distance? What is the largest size? It is the size of observable universe. Okay, size of universe. And yes, it is about 10 raised to 26 meter. It is about 10 raised to 26 meter. So yes, it is the smallest length and it is the largest length. Clear about this? So we can say it is range. Okay, if there are numbers of objects, then length of that object lies between these two. The length of object lies between these two. Okay, length of this board, distance between sun and earth, distance between moon and earth, this all distances lies between these two, distances. Okay, that's why it is called range. From 10 raised to minus 14 meter to 10 raised to 26. Clear about this? So yes, it is about range of length. Now in physics, yes, length, its SI unit is meter. But in physics, we have to deal with numbers of another units. Okay, and some another units are like this. See, different units for length. Okay, different units for length. First one is 1 Fermi. 1 Fermi is also denoted by 1 Fm is equal to 10 raised to minus 15 meter. It is 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Yes, you have to remember this. Okay. Then next one is 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom, and that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Clear about this? The next one is 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit. Now what is 1 astronomical unit? 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Now what is definition of 1 astronomical unit? It is average distance between sun and earth. It is average distance between sun and earth. What is 1 astronomical unit? 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. It is average distance between sun and earth. Okay, next one is number 4. That is 1 light year. 1 light year. What is 1 light year? 1 light year is equal to, it is 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter. Now how to define 1 light year? Yes, it is distance. Covered by. It is distance covered or traveled by light with speed 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second in 1 year. Okay, it is distance covered by light with speed 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second in 1 year. Clear about this? Yes, you can also calculate this. Okay, how this 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter comes. Okay, yes, we know that distance is equal to, it is speed into time. What is speed? It is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. What is time? 1 year. Okay, in 1 year. So 1 year I can say. 1 year. In 1 year we have 365 days. In 365 days. Okay. In 1 day there are 24 hours. And in 24 hours there are 3600 seconds. So yes, if you calculate this, you will get this answer. Again, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Time, that is 1 year. In 1 year there are 365 days. Okay, so it is 1 into 365. In a day, 24 hours. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Clear? So yes, if you calculate this, you will get this answer. Clear about this? Okay. Now, last one is number 5. That is 1 parsec. And 1 parsec is equal to, it is 3.08 into 10 raised to 16 meter. Into 10 raised to 16. Okay. Now, what is definition of this 1 parsec? See, 1 parsec is, if it is 1 astronomical unit distance, for example, if it is 1 astronomical unit distance, then the distance where this 1 astronomical unit subtends 1 second angle, it is called 1 parsec. It is called 1 parsec. Again, this 1 astronomical unit subtends 1 second angle at some distance. That distance is called 1 parsec. How to find this 1 parsec? How to find this 1 parsec? See, you can make relation. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. Yes or no? So yes, here you can say 1 second is equal to 1 astronomical unit upon 1 parsec. Upon 1 parsec. So 1 parsec is equal to 1 astronomical unit upon 1 second. Upon 1 second. What is 1 astronomical unit? Yes, you know. What is 1 second? 1 second you have to convert. 1 second is equal to 1 upon 3600 into pi by 180. So it is 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter divided by 1 second means 1 upon 3600 into pi by 180. Into pi by 180. And if you calculate this, you will get this relation. 3.08 into 10 raised to 16 meter. Clear about this? So yes, there are different units for length that you have to remember. Okay, what is 1 Fermi meter, 1 angstrom, 1 astronomical unit, 1 light year, 1 parsec. These are different units for length that you have to remember. Okay, so yes, with this measurement of length is over. Now we will see some questions based on measurement of length and parallax method. See, one question. The moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on Earth. The angle theta subtended at the moon is 1 degree 54 minutes. Given the diameter of Earth to be 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 meter. Compute distance between moon and Earth. Compute distance between moon and Earth. See, here it is. Earth, moon, two diametrically opposite points AB. Moon is observed. Subtends angle theta. Distance between Earth and moon, capital D. Diameter of Earth, it is B. Yes or no? Yes. What is relation between these three quantities? You know. Okay. Here, angle is equal to arc upon radius. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. So theta is equal to, it is B upon D. We have to find distance between moon and Earth, that is capital D. So therefore, capital D is equal to, it is B upon theta. It is B upon theta. Now B, it is given. See, what is B? That is diameter of Earth. B is equal to, it is 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 meter. Into 10 raised to 7 meter. Theta is also given. Yes or no? Yes, theta is also given. Theta is 1 degree 54 minutes. But you have to convert this angle in radian. Why? Because what is, it is from definition of plane angle. Plane angle is equal to arc upon radius. Yes, theta is equal to B upon D. It is from definition of plane angle. It is from definition of plane angle. And yes, what is unit of plane angle? What is unit of plane angle? Unit of plane angle is radian. So first of all, you have to convert this angle in radian. Now, how to convert this angle in radian? See, is equal to 1 degree means 60 minutes. It is 54 minutes. Clear about this? Okay. So total 6 and 5 is 1. It is 114 minutes. Now how to convert this 114 minute in degree, radian? 114 first of all divided by 16. So it is in degree. Now into pi by 180. Into pi by 180 radian. Yes, you have to take value of pi. Pi is equal to, it is 22 by 7, or you can say nearly 3.14. Okay, so yes, in calculator, in simple calculator, you have to do this calculation, that is 114 into 3.14 divided by 60 divided by 180. Okay, so yes, you will get is equal to, it is 0.0333144. Okay, and yes, it is written. And how to write this? Now see, take care about this. In physics, how to write each and every answer. Okay, yes, it is your answer and it is right. But in physics, we have to write your last answer in terms of power of 10. In terms of power of 10. How to write this? See, here it is decimal point. Okay, before decimal point, we have to write one non-zero digit. We have to write one non-zero digit. See, it is 0. It is 0. It is non-zero digit. So I have to displace this decimal point to this point. That is 3.314. Clear about this? That is 3.314. So if I want to displace this decimal point to this point, okay, means from decimal point I have to move right hand side. From decimal point I have to move right hand side. Then what you have to write? Here you have to decrease power. Here you have to decrease power. See, 1 and 2. I am moving 2 steps right side from this decimal point. So you have to decrease power of 10. You have to decrease power of 10 by 2. By 2. If I am moving by 3 steps, that is 1, 2 and 3, then here you have to write 10 raised to minus 3. If I am moving this decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, then you have to write 10 raised to minus 4. Clear about this? Okay, so yes, in physics you have to write your answer like this, 3.314 10 raised to minus 2 V. Clear? So yes, now we have B, we have theta put in this equation, that is B. What is B? It is 1.276 into 10 raised to 7. What about theta? It is 3.314 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now in calculator, you have to calculate only this term, 1.276 divided by 3.314, because we can add or subtract power of 10 directly. We can add or subtract power of 10 directly. So how to calculate this? Yes, in simple calculator, you have to 1.276 divided by 3.314 divided by 3.314, and your answer will be 0.3850 into, what about power of 10? Here power of 10 is 7 and in denominator it is 10 raised to minus 2. If you take this 10 raised to minus 2 power in denominator, it becomes positive. So how to write? It is 10 raised to 7 and into 10 raised to 2. Clear about this? Yes, 10 raised to minus 2. If you take this term, that is 10 raised to minus 2 in numerator, its power will become positive. Clear about this? Now, how to write this last answer? Is equal to 0.3850 into 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to 2. Base is same, that is 10. So you can add power directly. That is 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So it is 10 raised to 9 meter. It is 10 raised to 9 meter. Distance, and what is SI unit of distance? It is meter. So it is 0.3850 into 10 raised to 9 meter. Clear about this? Clear about this? Okay. So yes, it is how to find this answer. Any doubt? Clear about this? Okay. So yes, again, see here. Before this decimal point, it is 0. But in physics, you have to write your answer such that before decimal point, it must be non-zero digit. It must be non-zero. And first non-zero digit is 3. So yes, I have to write answer like this. Is equal to, it is 3.850 into. Now, what is change in this power? See, I have moved this decimal point by 1 step. By 1 step. So you have to decrease power of 10 by 1. Here it is power of 10, 10 raised to 9. So you have to decrease power by 1. So it is 10 raised to 8. It is 10 raised to 8. Clear about this? Okay, you have to decrease power of 10 is equal to steps you have moved. Steps you have moved. Clear about this? So yes, in physics you have to write your last answer like this. Clear about this? Now second question, see. The sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 seconds. The distance of the sun from the earth is 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. What is diameter of sun? What is diameter of sun? See here how to find this. The sun's angular diameter, that is earth. Okay, and it is sun. From a point on earth to observation lines, it is diameter of sun. And it is angular diameter of sun. Yes, that is V. And here it is D. And here it is D. Okay, yes, what is given? See, the sun's angular diameter is, means alpha is equal to 1920 seconds. Okay. The distance of the sun from earth means capital D. So capital D is equal to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Into 10 raised to 11 meter. You have to find what is diameter of sun, that is V is equal to question mark. Again we have to use angle is equal to arc upon radius. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. So therefore angle is equal to arc upon radius. So therefore V is equal to it is alpha D. V is equal to it is alpha D. Yes, D is given 1.496 into 10 raised to 11. Alpha is also given. But see, what is unit of alpha? 1920 second. What is unit of alpha? It is 1920 second. So first of all, you have to convert this second in radian. Yes, you have to convert this second in radian. How to convert this second in radian? See, you know method how to convert is equal to. First of all, convert this 1920 in degree by dividing 3600. And then multiply pi by 180. Then multiply pi by 180. Now again, 1920 into 3.14 divided by 3600 divided by 180. You will get your answer like this. That is 0.00930. That is 0.00930 radian. Yes, it is your right answer. Yes, it is your right answer. But how to write this answer? Again, 0. 0, 0, it is non-zero. So I have to displace this decimal point by 1, 2 and 3, means 9.30. As this decimal point is displaced by 3 steps, right side, you have to decrease power of 10 by 3. That is 10 raised to minus 3. That is 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, clear about this? Again, 0.00930 radian. I have to displace this decimal point to 1, 2 and 3. So yes, 9.30 into 10 raised to minus 3. Why 10 raised to minus 3? Why 3? Because 1, 2 and 3 steps move on right side of decimal point. Clear about this? Okay, so it is how to write your answer. Now, yes, this simple. See, alpha, what is value of alpha? It is 9.30 into 10 raised to minus 3. What is value of t? Yes, value of t is 1.496 into 10 raised to 11. So, is equal to, in calculator, you have to multiply 9.30 and 1.496, 9.30 and 1.496, and yes, your answer will be 13.578 into, how to add power? 10 raised to 11, 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to 11, 10 raised to minus 3, base same, then addition of power, 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3 means, yes, it is 10 raised to 8, it is 10 raised to 8 meter. Is 10 raised to 8 meter. Clear about this? Yes, it is your right answer. It is your right answer. But again, I want to write this answer as, okay, before decimal point, I need only one non-zero digit. Then I have to displace this decimal point. B is equal to 1.3578. Means this decimal point is now moved on left, is moved on left, is moved on left by one step. By one step. Then you have to increase power by 1. What is here power of 8? Power of 10 is 8. So here you have to write power of 10, that is 9. That is 9. Very simple. If you are moving on right hand side of decimal point, you have to decrease power. And if you are moving on left hand side, you have to increase power. Yes. What is order of increase and decrease? Steps you have moved. Steps you have moved. Clear about this? Here, this decimal point is moved one step in left hand side direction. So one power you have to increase. That is 10 raised to 8. You have to write as 10 raised to 9 meter. Clear about this? So yes, it is about these two questions which are based on parallax method. So in today's lecture, we have discussed about measurement of, estimation of very small sizes. That is size of molecule. That is size of molecule. Then what is range of length? Then these two questions based on parallax method. And yes, you have to take care when you calculate this such type of questions. Clear about this? Yes. Watch regular videos. Regular you have to make notes. If you have any doubt, then yes, contact me and do like, share and comment our videos.